Let's make a simple hot dog roll or sausage roll that your family would like. First off, my bread. Then next, I have my egg. Inside that egg, I have salt inside and a bit of onion powder for flavor. Put onion powder inside if you have. If you don't have onion powder, it's fine. It will still work for you like that. Then I have my cornflakes. I crush some cornflakes. If you don't have cornflakes, you can as well do it without cornflakes. It will still give you the same result. If you have breadcrumbs, you can use breadcrumbs. It will still give you the same result. Just do you use what you get for house. You get no pressure here. Then next, you carry your bread, put am for flat surface. If now your table you want put am, you put am. You roll and finish. You roll and make it flat. Then you put your hot dog inside the bread. Roll them together. See, you can see there's. I'm not securing it with anything. After rolling it, I just bring my egg, then put it inside my egg. The only thing you will secure it with is your hands. Just hold those plates tight. Then put them inside the egg wash. Is it egg? Put them inside the egg. Egg will help you just the eggs will help you to secure it. After then you put them inside the cornflakes, then you mix then you coat it. A boy is love. Then you coat it after you coat and finish. And voila, you are done with that particular one. Up to the next, until the next one. See the way I just take keep up. Then next I continue doing it. You see, you just do that for everything. You get just do that thing, you run out of this thing. Just continue doing it until you run out of whatever quantity you are doing. If your kids love hot dog and bread with egg for breakfast, see, not every time just hot dog like that. Try this method, they will love it. One person no fit finish two. I gave my kids two, but unfortunately they no finish and they eat one. Some eat the one wey eat one and half, eat one half. The one wey eat one, eat one. Then they keep am for microwave, come back to eat am again. It can even serve as snack sef. Like if you be say the school where your pikin dey go na kind of school say they carry snack, you can just give them as snacks. It will still work for them. Here I'm showing you another method that okay, without coating it inside this thing, inside cornflakes, it will still work. All you just need to do is to just soak it inside that egg. Don't be scared of soaking. Soak it inside that egg. It will be secured. You see, say I not put this particular third one inside cornflakes. I did not coat it. I just leave it like that. That was how I'm done with everything. Then I put my fry pan off. After my fry pan hot, see now I brush them. And if you not get brush, you just need to put small oil for pan, rub around. It go hot like that on a low heat. You get just put them on a low heat. I have a wider pan, so I just arrange everything inside the pan because now just six pieces. I have three children, so I just do two for each person. On a low heat, you can see that I'm putting my hand inside the fry pan. Then I forget this thing for fire. May I not lie. I leave this thing for fire because it was a school morning. You get so they do school runs as they do school preparation. So I call it about fast. It's now low heat. They make a quick go do one or two for the children. Omo. Before I come back, this thing do they boom. But content must be contenting, right? So I turn am. See the way it turn. She say, open. Open. Then I turn am. After turning it, I come see say the first time I turn am, it kind of stress me. Now I bring my hand, because now very low heat e dey. E just be like say when your fire just be like say fire dey heat pan small, now I put am. Then I come dey use my hand dey turn am to make sure say every side of the sausage roll is being cooked. You see am, see the way I take dey turn am with my hands. I just make sure say everywhere just dey cook. See, if you do this thing for your children, they no love am. Come back and collect your money from my hand. If you make this sausage roll for your kids, they don't love it. Come back and take your money from me. I'll pay your money for your ingredients. Very simple and easy. Like if you as an adult, if you even eat and safe, then bakam, chakam, it's done. Easy peasy. Hard. Sometimes it's good for us to just spice up things for the children you get. As for the cornflakes one, the ones wey I quote inside cornflakes, na dem get crumbs for body, so you can see that's it. Then I went ahead to scramble some egg. I put milk inside my egg. If you no put milk for your egg, if you get milk, put am. If you no dey put milk for your egg, you are mixing it will be fluffy. It go make your egg dey fluffy instead of drying. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join the blessings family. And that's it, guys. Then I went ahead to portion everybody on. See, I can't dey measure am. I swear, you go see the way I take they check and they check the size to know which one big pass. If all of them they equal this thing. Because my children, the one must say this one small, this one big. If you know, you know. Thank you guys for watching.